is in case of, like, see, in case of nozzle, what happens with the static pressure? That is the question, right? Here we have stator blades, that is called nozzle, and here we have rotor blades, right? So I'm asking what happens with the static pressure in case of nozzle blades. So I'm asking question in different way. When the flow happens in nozzle, what happens to the static pressure? Everyone try to tick. Use your pen, try to tick. Okay, see. What happens with the static pressure? What happens with the static pressure? In case of nozzle, what will increase? Velocity will increase or not? Of course it will increase. So if velocity will increase, then dynamic pressure will increase. So to maintain the total pressure, static pressure will decrease. So pressure will decrease. So this option is correct. So imagine I am taking a point here. This point represents my static pressure. So I can say this is my P1 static pressure. I am considering this zone is my zone 1 and this zone is my zone 2. This zone is my zone 3. So I got inlet pressure P1, right? Now at the beginning of turbine, we know that the gases are coming from the combustion chamber, so they will be having very less speed. Actually, ideally, if you will say zero speed, but definitely will be having little speed. So that absolute speed I am considering as C1. Okay. Now you can see C1 will increase in nozzle, but static pressure will decrease in nozzle. Then from here to here, this gap you just ignore. This gap you just ignore. Actually ignore in the sense here nothing is happening, right? Here you don't have change in area or transfer or anything. So that part, whatever energy will be there, same energy will be here. So that's why just draw a straight line. And after that you can see you have rotor blades. What happens with the absolute velocity in rotor blades? It will increase or decrease? It will decrease. Why? Because of energy transfer. This is the kinetic energy of the fluid. This kinetic energy will be transferred to the rotor blades. That's why absolute velocity will decrease. Okay? Okay, Prachi. So now see. Okay. Actually, I'm yeah. Yes, lecture is on record. So don't worry, you will be getting lectures. Don't worry, it is on record. Now you understand. This part, whatever you are seeing here, this absolute velocity will decrease. This velocity will decrease and it will go and it will become some other velocity, C3. Correct? In same way, your pressure will change. You can see here, you have some static pressure here. And now we will consider this static pressure will be same. Why this static pressure will be same? Because it is impulse stage. Try to understand. It is impulse stage. In case of impulse stage, we don't have transformation in the rotor. Correct? So that's why your velocity, relative velocity not change. I mean, transformation will not happen. Whatever pressure energy is here, same pressure energy will be here. That's why pressure is not being changed. Okay? Because whatever pressure energy is here, same pressure energy is here, because we are talking about the impulse turbine. Right? Pratik, are you getting? ये लेंथ वाइज है, लेंथ वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है ये लेंथ वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. दिस इज लेंथ वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. या हाँ, प्रेसिडेंट बोथ. सी गाइज, आई होप you are understanding. All my old student, not the new student, all my old students, you guys are understanding, right? The red line is this thing, absolute velocity diagram? Very good. Take down the diagram, everyone. Take down.